هلا حبيبي
كيفك؟
الحمد لله. هاي جماعة شكل 4 أشهر.
حجز القسم؟
حاضر.
شو جنسيتهم؟
Where are you from, sir?
United States of America.
أمريكا.
أربع كلهم كبار ها؟
This is for reception.
Okay, thank you.
يعطيك العافية يا أخوي.
Okay, we're at the Hilton at the Dead Sea, and we got a nice upgrade to these connecting rooms. So here's Antoine and Naomi's room. Oh, it's like a wall screen there. This is pretty interesting. Oh, there it goes, opening. Oh, I'll push this. Okay, and they've got one half bath here, and this is their bathroom. Oh, there's Antoine and me. Oh, the shower. Oh, you have a shower over there. Can't see it though. It's all dark in there. Okay. Oh, here's a light. Oh, there we go. Okay, let's see. So you have a tub. And this is weird here where Antoine's at. It scoots open there. Oh, I see why. So if you want to sit in the tub here, and that's open, you can open up there and you can see the Dead Sea out there from the tub. Okay, back over here. Here's their shower. Oh, I love the shower. Did you see that, Antoine?
Yeah.
It's got a waterfall thing, but it's way up there, like 9 feet high. Okay, now here's their room. The only bad thing about this is we're only staying here one night. So So this is the Dead Sea. What you see across the other side there is Israel. All right, now to our room. Like I said, I think I mentioned they connect. It's a family suite. So this door here comes over to our room. Well, that one's looks like Naomi closed them. So this comes into our room here. Just like a little connecting. It's just, are these closets here maybe? Oh yeah. Oh, okay. So these are all this looks like all the closets here. Okay. And here's the door that would come in our room. You know, if we weren't connected to it, this would be our entry door. That's one way to get into the bathroom. So here's our room. It's just like a house. We got the living room area, TV in the middle, and same. Here's our big sliding door to our area out here. And they have a lot of coffee making stuff there. And here's our bed. And again, so we have the two big doors out here. And then these slide open. Naomi's going to show them to our bathroom. which has the tub right there. What's over here on this side? Let's see. Oh, is this our shower? Hopefully it has a high shower head. It does. Oh, good. Our shower, sink. So the toilet must be over here on this side. And there's another toilet there, so you can look at each other as you go. No, I'm gonna check. Oh, we have sinks on either side. Yeah. All right, so there you have it. The Hilton Dead Sea Resort and Spa. Oh, and that TV just spins. Again, just one night. We're gonna unpack, eat, obviously stay the night here. The beach access is closed at sunset, so it's closed right now. And it opens at, is this locked? It opens at 8 a.m. Yeah, this is, oh, I guess this one's, oh, there we go. Okay. So at 8 a.m. we're gonna have to go out and get in the water. We're 436, I think, meters below sea level. And there's so much salt content in this lake or this sea, we're supposed to just be able to float. So we will see.
Israel y el mar muerto. Es una bendición estar aquí y ver estas maravillas que Dios nos permite. Gracias, Padre mío.
Hay como 5 diferentes albercas.
Ver esas montañas que dividen y del otro lado saber que allá está Israel. Wow. El mar muerto, verlo es algo impresionante. Gracias, Dios. Gracias por todo.
Morning time on the Dead Sea. It's Tuesday morning, July 17th, 7 a.m. That little place right down there is the beach access we're allowed to swim in. And we're gonna head down there at 8 o'clock when it opens. And again, that's Israel on the other side.